Hey guys, Jeremy at Speedwerx here. Today we're talking about venting for the catalyst. We got the 600 RXC here in front of us. This will apply to the 858, so all you guys that ordered 858s, this is for you too. Same vent stuff we've had for a few years, but you guys that aren't familiar. So what we do is we start with our stainless steel mesh screen. Air blows through it really good. It's super tough. Sticks, snow, roost, things like that won't puncture it. This is stuff we've used on snowcross stuff for quite some time with great results, eating a lot of roost, rocks, you name it, but real tough, real durable. And then our laser cut, and then black anodized cap or cover that goes on it. Super tough, super durable, looks really trick. And most importantly, and the main reason we're doing it is we want to get cold air in under the hood, lower those belt temps, those clutch temps, those intake temps, just lower the underhood temps in general, gives us a little bit more performance, and we want to get that hot air out. So we'll start with getting that cold air in. These two pieces here, they go down into the front of the belly pan, one inside, one in front of the exhaust side or the muffler side, cool fresh air blowing in. And then we do the same thing on the clutch side. Again, that's to get the cold air in. Then we have a vent option here on the side panel. This is to breathe for that air coming out on the clutch side and the exhaust side. And then up on the top, up on the pod or the hood here, we have these vents here where that hot air is wanting to escape and get out there as well. Vent kits are $59.95 to $62.95. Super simple install. Come with instructions, 100% made in USA. If you guys have any questions, let us know.